Missouri now has its first Ebola testing laboratory in the state. Good evening, I'm Paige Travis. Governor Jay Nixon announced the new lab today. KOMU 8's Shale Remien was at the announcement this afternoon and has more details on what this means for the safety of Missourians.
Well, good evening to you, Paige. I'm standing right outside of the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services. We're just inside. There is now a designated lab specifically for Ebola testing. It's 1 out of 20 within the United States. Now, today I spoke to the director of the health department, and she says she's confident in her staff that can handle an Ebola incident if one were to occur. Governor Jay Nixon also stressed the fact that there have been no outbreaks of Ebola within Missouri, but if one were to occur, they're ready.
It seems whenever you turn on the news, there it is again, another update on Ebola. But this constant health chatter has sparked Governor Jay Nixon and his staff to act.
Here in Missouri, we have been working methodically to ensure that we are fully prepared to protect the public in the event this disease finds its way to our state.
The Missouri Department of Health and state emergency management agencies trained more than 200 representatives of public health agencies, hospitals, and schools regarding Ebola.
Training exercises are currently being planned, and additional education was provided to hospitals yesterday at the Missouri Hospital Association's statewide conference.
Nixon announced today the Missouri State Public Health Laboratory is the first Ebola testing lab in the state. This announcement comes one day after someone falsified an Ebola claim Thursday in Cole County. The director of Missouri Health Department says although it was a hoax, it prepared her team.
And they worked through every step of the way what would happen if this was a true case, how we would transport the person, where they would go.
The governor says it's imperative medical staff follow 4 guidelines when handling a potential Ebola scare.
To be consistent, to be prepared, to be calm, and to be vigilant. And if we do those 4 things and the responsibilities that we have, we hope that gives to fellow Missourians confidence that we have a public health system and a public health network that is on point and prepared.
Governor Jay Nixon also said that they have handed out about 10 health alerts to local health agencies regarding people about Ebola care and treatment. Reporting live in Jefferson City, Shale Remien, KOMU 8 News.